Crews are installing 118 wayfinding signs across Plano. The user-friendly directional signs are an important tool in providing visitors easier navigation to their destinations. The signs highlight all the great things our city has to offer, from entertainment venues and shopping districts to parks, nature preserves, and other popular destinations. 38 community stakeholders work together to design the look of the signs and choose the destinations. The team included people from the city, major businesses, HOA representatives, and transportation agencies. The stakeholders agreed to use the term districts and came up with appropriate names for those areas. The city's hotel occupancy tax is providing the funding for the wayfinding signs and installation. The city uses those dollars to promote tourism and the convention and hotel industry in Plano. The wayfinding signs are an effective and appropriate tool to do just that. Simply put, wayfinding helps our visitors save time and reduce frustration. That enhances return visits, which is good for all of us.